Are you seeing the spu2-x development module DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Before we dive into the spu2-x development module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the spu2-x development module, the development version of the spu2-x sound plugin for the PS2 emulator, PCSX2. It provides advanced audio debugging hooks and localized DSP, digital signal processing logic. If missing, the emulator will report that the sound plugin failed to load and will refuse to boot any games, citing a module mismatch. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. The presence of spu2-x development module DLL is required for the PCSX2 Team engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered spu2-x development module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. The versions of spu2-x development module DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing spu2-x development module and system health. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for spu2-x development module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support